Any audit brings anxiety to anybody. They were satisfied very, very quickly, which is what you want in an auditor. When they have confidence that what you're using satisfies the standard, they don't dig much further. Cory Mince, process engineer at Spectrum Solutions, a medical device manufacturer in Draper, Utah. Before Limble, we were paper-based primarily, and that just wasn't cutting the mustard. So we had to move to something that was more robust and with a higher degree of control. Found Limble. It's been great. At the moment, we are making a COVID-19 test kit that's saliva-based. We were the first saliva-based test kit to get emergency use authorization through the FDA. Process of finding Limble, we knew that as we were going to expand, that the system we had wasn't going to be adequate for our needs. We decided to look into software that was optimized for managing assets, controlling PMs, calibration, and all in a single system. So we have a single source of truth. And basically just doing a Google search, happened to find Limble. Yeah, I mean, the transition was relatively painless for us, and once it got up and running, it was just awesome. It was just a breath of fresh air. It was a huge relief, something that I didn't have to worry about and constantly check up on because I knew it was running properly, and it was really easy to check to see if it was running properly through the dashboards. Any audit brings anxiety to anybody. There's the universal anxiety. Are we going to be able to answer these questions in a way that satisfies what the auditor is looking for? And one thing I was super confident about is that they would ask for an equipment ID number. We'd be able to pull out that equipment ID and be able to show exactly when the validations for that equipment occurred, the calibration when that has occurred, the PMs that have occurred, scheduled and unscheduled PMs. It'd show them everything they wanted to know and be able to do it extremely quickly. And also able to create an asset list that they can see everything, and then also give them a tour of Limble to show that this is what we're using, this is absolutely adequate for everything that they're interested in seeing, and managing things in a way that would satisfy the standards that they're looking for. And it was the part of the audit that I was most confident in, which was really nice because previously that was the part of the audit I was least confident in, pulling out paperwork that people had been filling out by hand and referencing an Excel spreadsheet that had very little control. So a massive change, and I was significantly more comfortable with Limble than our previous system. They were satisfied very, very quickly, which is what you want in an auditor. When they have confidence that what you're using satisfies the standard, they don't dig much further. Confident that you've got everything in place. If they weren't, like in a paper-based system, they'll just keep digging because they know they're going to find something. But in a system like Limble, they were confident that it was doing what it needed to do. Validations, PMs, calibration, those are all things that auditors look for. It's easy to mess them up. It's easy to get them confused. And having a system to optimize that, it is absolutely worth it